अरे इतना कॉमेडी होने के बाद बोरिंग आदमी को बुला रहे हो।
अरे अभी देखना आप, ये भाई साहब बोरिंग नहीं है। मैं पिछले 3 दिन से इनके साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, अभी देखना क्या क्या करते हैं। तो हमारी भी भाई साहब हमारा ख्याल रखना प्लीज। हाँ, सो बेटी
अगले बार आपके जगह में मुझे शो के लिए इनविटेशन।
श्रीकांत जी कैसी लगी हमारी कॉमेडी?
बहुत बढ़िया था। आई थिंक इट वाज वंडरफुल वाचिंग ऑल ऑफ यू परफॉर्म फ्रॉम द डाउनस्टेज। अभी तक तो मुझे लगता है मुझे देखना सब लोग स्टेज के ऊपर से, मैं देख रहा हूँ आपको स्टेज के नीचे से।
थैंक यू सो मच।
I'm sure most of you already know it, so I'll be repeating some information over here. But Shrikant ji has a long list of wonderful accomplishments. He's studied at MIT.
नहीं वो सब छोड़ो यार, एक चीज बोलो, जो चैट जीपीटी मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रही है
वो भी मैं बताता हूँ। सो उसका ही बताते हैं पहले। सो मैंने एक दिन ऐसे ही चैट जीपीटी, मैंने नहीं एक्चुअली हमारे एक कॉमेडियन ने चेक कर रहे थे कि चैट जीपीटी की श्रीकांत बोला के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कीजिए। एंड आई एम नॉट किडिंग, यू गाइस ट्राई इट आउट योरसेल्फ। ही कम्स अप, ही इज लिस्टेड एज अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन।
वो सबसे बड़ा जोक हो गया दुनिया में। क्योंकि मुझे कॉमेडी करना बिल्कुल नहीं आता है।
वो तो अभी आप देखेंगे इनको। Alright, so इनकी अचीवमेंट्स में he studied at MIT. He's been listed in Forbes 30 under 30. ये शार्क टैंक पे आ चुके हैं। डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम आजाद इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन।
लोग रूम से बाहर जाएगा शार्क बोले तो शार्क मत बोलना। क्योंकि उनको लगता है संडे इवनिंग है, आज दोपहर को मीट खाया नहीं है तो खा जाएंगे।
इन्होंने इतनी हाइट स्केल करी है इन्होंने। Can't believe it, he's also jumped from an airplane, he was telling me the other day. So he has achieved so many things. But श्रीकांत जी, आपने कभी सपने में भी सोचा था कि एक दिन आपको देसी कॉमेडी लाइव के साथ परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिलेगा?
अभी तो इसीलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, आपके जगह मैं परफॉर्म करूंगा जाके, तो मुझे दे देना वो कॉम्पनसेशन जो भी है।
ये करोड़पति बन गए, अभी भी हमारी रोटी छीन रहे हैं।
अरे यार डेली तो रोटी तो खाना ही है, कितना भी करोड़पति खाए तो पैसा चाहिए तो। बट वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी हियर एंड सच एन ऑनर। Thank you Vivek ji, Jolly and all the other comedians out here. I think what a wonderful team. I have been in touch with Vivek ji and his wife Anu. I think wonderful couple. Beautiful opportunity to work with you and would continue to have a long-term relationship, and thank you for calling me here. जहाँ तनु लेके जाएगी वहाँ जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो तो ड्राइव करना पड़ेगा। मैं ड्राइव करूँगा तो सबका मार दूंगा। तो आई थिंक that's the thing. So it was a pleasant surprise to be here in this beautiful building. Thank you for what you do.
Of course. How many of you watched the movie Shrikant?
Everyone.
तो आपको पूछना चाहिए ना क्वेश्चन।
आप पूछ रहा हूँ जी, मैं पहुंच रहा हूँ जहाँ तक आप पहुंचना चाहते हैं।
अरे यार मुझे माइक देना डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन वापस खींचना या रोकना आसान नहीं है।
मैंने कहा था ना, he is a stand-up comedian. Chat GPT is always right.
कभी नहीं राइट हो सकता, बट ये राइट हो सकता अगर राजकुमार राव के जगह पे मैं एक्ट करता तो मूवी और बढ़िया रहता।
So श्रीकांत, एक बेसिक सा सवाल है। इधर द मूवी, हिंदी मूवीज बड़ी सेंसेशनलाइज कर देते हैं कई बारी। द मूवी स्टार्ट्स विद कि you are born and the villagers are advising the parents to get rid of you and all that. ये कितनी सच्चाई है इस स्टोरी में?
आपका क्वेश्चन में तो जो था वो सही है कि हिंदी मूवीज बहुत मसाला ऐड करके स्पाइस डाल के बना देता है, लेकिन इसमें बिल्कुल स्पाइस नहीं डाला है, लेकिन आइस डाल के बनाया लगता है, क्योंकि इट्स 100% रियल। ऑल दी स्टोरी लाइन्स, ऑल दी इंसिडेंट्स, आई थिंक इट्स अ सैड अफेयर इवन इन 21st century when you see people in remote India, when you see kids burning with kids coming up with minor disabilities or major disabilities, people think it's a big sin even today, believe me. But this happened to me in 91, but even today the situation remains very grim, and many parents think these people cannot do anything, I mean, they will be like a vegetable, they will be the big burden. So they kind of, tend to leave them or put them in schools or hand them to institutions like Viva or someone like that. But luckily, my parents were not like that. So they were able to show the world what I had inside. So I think I was born, of course, with both the eyes closed, but beautiful looking baby, no problem whatsoever, no scratch. So I think I was looking like gold. Now gold is so expensive, that's a different issue. इसीलिए मेरा चमड़ा से gold निकाल देता हूँ. That's a better thing. But on a serious note, I think people thought I was a zero when I was born. But I know very much I was a born hero because I was born with the power of vision. And I did not become a celebrity or an influencer as you think now because the movie came in and all. I was a born celebrity because of my vision. I was absolutely clear in my thoughts and in my ideas ever since I was born. My birth itself was a question, it was a fight against the stigma. And that was the first day maybe I must have decided that I came to this world with a clear purpose of defining what vision and sight are. Because most people think they both are same. But that's not true. Sight is just purely to one organ of the body, whereas vision is limitless. It belongs to the mind. When it comes to vision, you and I cannot see it, but we can only embrace it and feel it and then pull it out and do anything with the help of vision. Whereas so when everybody said, Baba, you don't belong here, I said, maybe you don't belong here, but it's only me who belongs to this world because I came here to empathize and empower people who needs that most with my ideas, with my ideology and with my vision. And it is that vision which has led me all the way from 1991 till the United States. Over the last 35 years, it has been a wonderful journey, a journey filled with a lot of gratitude, lot of empathy and lot of support. And I am today speaking in front of you because of various people, mentors, well-wishers who had made unwavering sacrifices, including my parents, to bring me up against all odds. No matter what people said, my parents only said one thing, Beta tumhare mein koi limitation nahi hai. I think that has become a part of my DNA to achieve the impossible. And the compassion with which I grew up from my own parents laid roadmap for my success in the years to come. Because compassion, you think, it's just giving some money to a beggar on the street or homeless people. No, it's just removing your guilt. Compassion is a way to show someone a meaningful way to live with dignity and purpose. And I think my parents had shown a meaningful way for me to achieve anything in this world with the power of vision, because I can see beyond all of you in this hall. People often call me blind or visually impaired. I tell them, blindness doesn't define me who I am, but my abilities does.
Very nice. So Shrikant, you just talked about mentors. Mentors, क्या आपकी लाइफ में क्या role play किया रहे हैं? What do you think?
It's not only my life, right? I mean, mentor is someone, or guru is someone who everyone worships. Starting from our mythological days, guru has prominent space in this society. And now so-called we call nicely in a fancy way, we call teachers, mentors. So I think starting from my own parents, my teachers in school, various mentors and well-wishers during my college and later on in the business, my co-partners, investors, partners, everybody played their own role to make me what I am today. And if they would not have created right exposure, all my talent would be fit for breaking stones by hand all day. And this is why I believe having right exposure at right age to right things is the most important thing. But what do we do with that exposure purely depends on our hard work and talent. I think this is possible through mentorship and by way of manifestation. Manifestation is something that really helped me all through my career, ever since I was born until today. Whatever I manifest, that happens. And I'm pretty sure, because the very reason is I don't see people, pretty ladies around me or pretty girls around me. So I think I focus more on the things that I really want to do. So I was actually in a panel.
Stand-up comedian.
So I was in a panel one day in Bombay. We were doing a DEI summit, and I was talking about, somebody was asking me, how can you actually increase, somebody was the moderator was telling me, Srikanth ji, I think God, when God takes away one thing, He must have given you two more things beneficial. I told her, I'm not sure about that, but that's because I don't see how beautiful you are, therefore I can focus on my delivery. And the panelist besides me was telling me, Srikanth ji, I look very beautiful, you don't see that. That's why you're talking about it. I think God, there is nothing like you have special abilities or special things, but the way we focus is what really matters. What you can see a nice photo of mine with the brand Earth Cleanse behind me, but nothing much beyond that, right? But I can see beyond. I can see through visualization and manifestation. I see through the system, and that's why I think you are limited by your sight, whereas I am unlimited by my vision. Therefore, that's why I can see anything. Another thing is very simple, right? All of us are born with a simple disability. Can anyone tell me that? Somebody, whoever tells me will get a free picture, otherwise we'll charge. Exactly, you're right. Okay, you're the first one to get the picture.
Right, that's just me.
We're all born with this big disability called fear. Fear restricts all of us from doing the impossible. But I am again lucky man, because since I don't see fear through my own shadow, I was born fearless, lived fearless, and would continue to live fearless.
वाह, ठीक है।
एक और चीज मैं बताता हूँ, ये लोग तो बहुत सवाल पूछने के लिए तैयार है, बट in life you guys have two options. या तो कॉमेडी देख सकते हो, या सुन सकते हो, या कुछ और कर सकते हो. Whenever you see a problem, we always have two choices. Either we can run away from the problem, which is simple for all of us, which is called flight response, or पागल की तरफ लड़ सकते हो, to work on the solution to that problem, which is a fight response. For me, the first one was never an option, because मैं अगर भागूंगा तो भी गिर जाऊंगा, fight करेंगे तो भी गिर जाऊंगा, which is the better of the two. तो fight करके हारूं, that's better than running away. I think that has become my habit of fighting against any challenge. In fact, whenever someone says, Srikanth, you can't do this, I look up to them and says, it's only me who can do this. Because मेरा दिमाग के लिए ना नहीं समझता है. Only yes is something that I can process. Yes is what I see and I do. And in fact, I love failure because that's what makes me a better person. Because I think there is no failure until there is a solution. Every failure has a solution behind it, but we don't look at it. We often look at a failure and waste all our time. But I don't look that way. I believe I don't want to wait for someone to make change. Rather, I want to be the symbol of that change. And today, that's why we are in the process of changing the world to become greener and sustainable and natural, so that we can leave the world in a most clean way than how we found it.
Wow, that's amazing. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. So inspirational, except for those people who had planned boys trip later on in the year, क्योंकि इन्होंने कहा कि अगर तुम सुंदर लड़कियों को देखोगे तो तुम्हारा फोकस खत्म हो जाएगा. Sorry guys. अच्छा
मैंने तो देखना चाहिए तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
अच्छा देखो, फिर देखो, श्रीकांत भैया ने कहा दिया, देखो.
लेकिन घर में बीबी ना मारे.
I have a couple of questions on the little bit of a lighter note. आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है, जैसे आप कॉलेज में गए थे MIT में, कभी कोई लड़का आया हो, यार $100-200 ले ले, मेरा होमवर्क कर दे, ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
नहीं, कभी नहीं हुआ था.
आपकी लाइफ पे बॉलीवुड ने तो इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म बना दी है. So now obviously next is Hollywood. Now imagine if Hollywood is approaching you, they want to do an Avengers character on you. What is your character and what superpower he has?
I think I don't have to do anyone's character. मेरा character के लिए मैं पूरा बस हूँ. I think if मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ठीक हूँ. तो I think if the Hollywood wants to do a movie, मैं पहला agreement में रखता हूँ. मैं मेरा character मैं ही करूँगा. And वैसे तो life always presents opportunities. Part 1 में तो लोग बोला अरे यार आपने act करेंगे तो कोई we cannot pull people into the theaters. अभी तो कोई किसी पुल करना जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि नेटफ्लिक्स वेटफ्लिक्स सब आ गया है. तो आई थिंक आई कैन डू इन पार्ट 2 एंड आई हैव टू वर्क फॉर पार्ट 2 नाउ.
वाओ, वेरी गुड. वन मोर. आपने इतनी सारी अचीवमेंट करी है पर एक चीज अभी भी बाकी है.
नहीं भैया आपको मैं रोकता हूँ.
हाँ.
अभी सिर्फ आपने ट्रेलर देखी है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. तो आप अभी तक कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में नहीं जा पाए. अगर मान लीजिए आप गए,
दिल में ऑलरेडी मैं करोड़पति हूं ना.
अगर मान लीजिए आप पहुंचे और आपको मिले 7 करोड़ की रकम, आप उस 7 करोड़ का आज क्या करेंगे.
60 क्यों चाहिए और 70 करोड़ चाहिए ना.
अमिताभ जी 70 करोड़ वाले एपिसोड में बुलाना इनको.
नहीं, आई थिंक माई विजन इज ऑलवेज वेरी सिंपल. I want to empower and empathize people around the world, and I think I was born to do just that. And I'm not born to build millions and billions fortunes, but I'm born to be a hero for millions and millions of people out there who are less fortunate and less empathetic and less empowered. So I want to be the bakra for all of them, and I want to be the voice for all the voiceless people out there and make sure that they achieve what they want to achieve, because not everybody can fight like me, and not everybody can be the bakra for the change. क्योंकि when I was stopped from studying science, मैंने गवर्नमेंट को बोला जो कुछ हो जाए I am going to pursue my own dreams. Someone said, how can you dream if you don't see? I said, can you see dream? हाँ मुझे तो वो आलिया भट्ट से डांस करते हुए ऐसा कुछ ड्रीम आता है. भैया वो तो ड्रीम नहीं है, फैंटेसी है. उसके लिए तो जाओ बॉम्बे डांस करो. लेकिन ड्रीम इज नॉट समथिंग दैट यू स्लीप, बट ड्रीम इज समथिंग दैट डजंट इवन लेट यू स्लीप until the work at hand is completed. Dreams are never practical, my dear friends, but we as leaders have to turn impractical dreams into practical. So it was my turn to prove the world that I can dream much, much bigger just because I don't see. In fact, dreams are not someone's assets. Its dream always favors the brave and the risk-taking people. And I was always willing to take risk, walk in the path that no one else traveled, and be the change that I want to see. So when I fought with the Court of Andhra Pradesh at the age of 17, got permission to study science, IITs वालों ने बोला भैया देखो हमने बॉल ऐसा थ्रो करेंगे, can you go get the ball? मैंने बोला can you even tell me where it lands until it lands? So there are kinematic equations which you simply follow, so I'll also do it. But that guy says, why do you want to do IIT and I'll go take arts and become a teacher? अरे यार मुझे तो टीचर नहीं बनना है, टीचर्स को बनाना है. And I want to pursue my own aspirations. Let me tell you one more small story. क्वेश्चन तो छोटा है, आंसर लंबा है जाली भाई.
कोई गल नहीं सर, आप बोलते रहो.
तो परमिशन है तो okay. So I think, see, when I was young, I always wanted to become a doctor. When I realized अभी उस टाइम पे तो रोबोट्स नहीं था, ChatGPT नहीं था ताकि वो पूरा देख के सर्जरी परफॉर्म करे. तो when I realized I can't become a surgeon due to the restriction of my eyesight, मैंने बोला ठीक है डॉक्टर बन पाऊंगा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा, बट डॉक्टर से तो शादी जरूर कर लेंगे. I think 15 years later the same manifestation had become true when someone random who's doctor by profession came chasing, suddenly sketchily started reaching out on Facebook, and waited for 2 years, and here we are ultimately married to a girl of my choice, blessed with a daughter of 16 months. And what a beautiful reality. Once it was a manifestation, but today it's a living reality. this is what I tell you. If you can dare to dream big, then the whole universe will conspire to help you succeed. And this is exactly what happened to me. I was able to dream big, and I was able to attract right mentors, right people shamelessly to help me out to reach my dreams and touch the skies.
अच्छा श्रीकांत जी देखने में बड़े भोले वाले लगते हैं, पर एक इनका जिंदगी का छोटा बचपन का एक इंसिडेंट, आप बच्चों को क्लास में चीटिंग करने में हेल्प करते थे।
ओ यार,
ये क्या, कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में, क्या करते थे आप?
अरे यार, आप
किड्स पे अटेंशन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक।
नहीं, आप ही खुद बोला है ना मैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन हूँ, तो मैं भी बाय बर्थ में स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन ही था होगा। यू नो, अगेन this could have been this is a hilarious naughtiness that I always used to do when I was a kid, but again that stemmed from my own compassion, empathy, and not willing to see people suffer. I think that made me to help people to pass who couldn't pass otherwise. You know, on a jovial note, हम लोग जब blind school में पढ़ते थे in Hyderabad, तो we all used to take internal exams in Braille. तो वहाँ एक बढ़िया एडवांटेज मुझे है, आई वॉज द बेस्ट रीडर एंड राइटर इन ब्रेल इन क्लास। मेरा टीचर्स के लिए तो ब्रेल नहीं आता था पढ़ना लिखना, सो दे हैड टू डिपेंड ऑन मी टू इवैल्यूएट एग्जाम पेपर्स। तो अगर आंसर वहाँ है नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं तो ऐसा ही पढ़ देता था राइट आंसर। बट दैट्स वन थिंग। बट एक ही चीज़ मैं क्लासमेट्स को एग्जाम के पहले एक ही चीज़ बोलता था उनको, भैया whether you studied or not, I am not sure, but please do write something so that you have enough number of sheets ताकि मैं करेक्ट आंसर पढूं। अगर आपने एक ही शीट दे दिया ना, मैं इतना लंबा चौड़ा आंसर कैसे पढूं? तो एटलीस्ट fill up the papers with some random scrap so that I can read the right answer. The other way I used to do it is जब हम वहाँ इंडिया में अभी भी आई थिंक इन द सेम मैनर 70 मार्क्स इज लिटरेरी पार्ट एंड 30 मार्क्स इज फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप ABCD। तो आई थिंक वहाँ देर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। सो लाइक इन द US MIT में भी ABCD होता था, लेकिन वी नीड टू से वाई वी आर सेइंग A, बट वो नहीं था हमारे पास इंडिया में। तो जस्ट यू नीड टू टिक आइदर ABCD E or whatever, whichever is the right answer। सो मैं एग्जाम के पहले 2-3 कोट्स देता था, भैया देख, मैंने अगर बेंच मारूंगा ना एक बार तो द आंसर वुड बी A। अगर मैंने टीचर को टॉयलेट जाने के लिए बोलूंगा ना, द आंसर कुड बी C। नहीं तो मैंने वो ब्रेल का स्लेट गिरा दूंगा नीचे तो आंसर इज A। So I think I used to give them all random quotes and वही करता था and everybody used to get full marks।
Wow.
टीचर को तो उसको मालूम है कि मैं ये चोरी कर रहा हूँ, but she couldn't do anything or he couldn't do anything because कोई उसको पकड़ नहीं पाता था। They know it, but मैं बाद में बोलता था, हाँ ठीक है, अरे यार मैं अकेला पास होता हूँ तो वो लोग कहाँ जाएगा, let them also pass, no, वो बैंक में जाएगा, कहीं तो जाएगा। So I think ever since I was a kid, मैं तो सबको कॉमेडी करता था। I think I used to bully everyone, and I think I really had a great childhood. And one day, I'll tell you, it was in the movie also, I became a head boy in my school. तो हमको सिर्फ सांबार और बैंगन देते थे 10 साल। एंड अभी कोई बोलता है ना, अरे यार वी मेड नाइस ब्रिंजाल, मैं बोलता हूँ थैंक यू, मुझे ब्रिंजाल चाहिए भी नहीं। अगर सो आई थिंक वन डे एनुअल डे हो रहा था, मुझे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स करना था। एंड कोई डोनर्स वगैरह आया था, एंड माय मैनेजमेंट सेड प्लीज थैंक ऑल द डोनर्स। मैंने गया स्टेज पे, मैं हिलेरियसली बोला, टू ऑल द डोनर्स आउट देयर, टुडे इट्स माय ग्रेट ऑनर टू टेल यू हाफ थैंक्स। लोग बोला हाफ थैंक्स क्यों? बोला भैया देख, आपने अगर 100 रुपए दिया ना, 50 रुपए हमारे खर्च होता है, और 50 रुपए कौन खा रहा समझ में नहीं है, वो बोलेगा दूसरा हाफ थैंक्स। and they said and somebody asked me, so you are not given chicken? I said chicken का खुशबू तो डेली आती है, कान को कारा कौन मालूम नहीं है। हमको तो यही बैंगन और वाटर सांबार दे ही देता था. तो प्लीज गो चेक एंड टेक योर हाफ थैंक्स. I think this is just one of the many incidents. But उसके बाद मुझे बाहर निकाला गया है. I think I was kicked out of the school. I mean, from there also, I think even from that adversity also, I made my life. Then I think that's when I was able to see what is the world going beyond the four walls in the hostel and the school. And I was able to study with normal kids where everybody was thinking, अरे यार मैं तो MIT जा रहा हूँ या IIT जा रहा हूँ, SAT लिख रहा हूँ, ये लिख रहा हूँ, वो लिख रहा हूँ. मैं भी तो ठान लिया था कि चलो मैं भी जाऊंगा एक दिन अमेरिका. एंड अमेरिका गए ही नहीं, अभी तो पढ़ भी लिया और इंडिया वापस गए के वी स्टार्टेड अ रिसाइकलिंग एंड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी एंड डूइंग रियली वेल. एंड मैंने सोचा अमेरिकन को अभी साफ करना है जाके, बिकॉज अमेरिकन कंज्यूमर्स यूज लॉट ऑफ प्लास्टिक्स एंड गलत चॉइसेस वो लेके करता है. तो लेट मी गो एंड मेक अमेरिका नेचुरल एंड ग्रीन अगेन. And that's what we are doing now, my dear friends.
वाह. So अभी श्रीकांत जी ने एक नया स्लोगन दिया है अपनी कंपनी के लिए, मेक अमेरिका ग्रीन अगेन.
वो मैंने ट्रम्प से कैप्शन कॉपी नहीं किया है. वो कोई कॉपीराइट का लासूट मत डालना.
So Shrikant, you were talking about your daughter. You were blessed with a beautiful daughter, Naina. Is that right?
And beautiful wife also.
Beautiful wife.
Because नहीं तो मार खाना पड़ेगा जाने के बाद कल इंडिया.
All right. So यहाँ पर there are lots of kids in this room as well. So we want to hear from you. What kind of a world are you envisioning that you want to leave behind for the next generation?
I think I have gotten so much out of this world, this beautiful earth and beautiful people around me, and I want to leave sustainable, cleaner and fairer world with equal opportunities and diverse opportunities for the future generations. Because I came here to do something different. I simply did not come here just like you. I came here with a purpose. The purpose is to empower people who needs that empowerment. I'll tell you a small story. I love telling stories. And they're not stories, they're real incidents, by the way. क्योंकि विवेक जी आके बोलता अरे तू स्टोरी बढ़िया बोलता है. मैं बोलता स्टोरी है ही तो कहाँ बोलने को, ये रियल इंसिडेंट ही तो है बोलने का. तो आई थिंक when I was 16 in 2006 when I was selected to meet my own role model Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we all went to Rashtrapati Bhavan and sat there wallowing in my the thoughts and hearing to the classical music. यहाँ बैठा था मैं कॉमेडी सुनते ही, वहाँ बैठा था क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सुनते ही. So the protocol people says we are not allowed to go and meet the president. We can only say namaste from where we were. मैं सोच रहा यार मुझे तो किस साइड घूम के नमस्ते बोलूं, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं है किस साइड वो है. तो मेरे लिए तो ईस्ट वेस्ट सब साउथ सब नॉर्थ एक ही है ना. तो बिकॉज मुझे तो दिखता ही नहीं है, तो मुझे जाना है, शेक हैंड करना है. Perhaps maybe feel his long hair. ये तो थॉट था बिकॉज आई एक्टेड लाइक हिम इन द स्कूल. तो वहाँ तो एक विग दिया है, नेचुरल हेयर और विग में फ़र्क होता है. तो मुझे देखना था कैसा इनका नेचुरल हेयर होता है. तो आई यूज्ड टू एज आई वाज थिंकिंग इन माय माइंड कि टुडे इफ आई एम नॉट, वही टाइम पे मैं सोचा इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट हिम, आई विल बिकम लाइक हिम एंड मेक श्योर दैट आई गिव अप माय अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर हिम टू कम एंड मीट मी. ये तो मैड डिसीजन था, लेकिन दैट वाज द डे that I decided my lifetime ambition and goal. And within no time, Abdul Kalam ji walks in and started asking everybody what do we want to become. So मुझे क्या हुआ पता ही नहीं, मैं तो बोल दिया sir, I wanted to become like you and give more opportunities to people like me. We were told we cannot meet you, but no problem. Look forward to seeing you at my oath.
Wow.
I think that changed the, I mean he came running. कहाँ से आया मुझे पता नहीं, वो खींच के मुझे बाहर आगे लेके गया था. And he not only gave me a hug, but that opened up the whole world of relationship with him. And until he physically left us, I was in his inner council of advisors and whatever, I mean he calls me whatever advisor, hero, whatever. एक बार हम लोग ऐसा ही public platform में थे in Coimbatore in 2012 I think. तो it was his time to go and speak वो पोडियम में जाता है, वो बोलता है आज मैं बात नहीं करूंगा, मेरा हीरो श्रीकांत बोला बात करेगा। आई वॉज शॉक्ड, मेरा बात करने का सीन वो स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह कुछ नहीं था उस टाइम पे, तो मैं आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई स्पोक, आई वेंट देयर, स्पोक फॉर 3 minutes, came back, excuse me, came back, and then he goes back to the podium, he says, whatever he says are absolutely true, please follow him. Then I told him, sir, please don't insult me, why are you calling me a hero, because you are my hero. वो बोला श्रीकांत जी, look, I'm not simply calling you a hero, I'm giving you this title because you have a big responsibility ahead of me, my generation, to continue to empower youth of India and youth of this nation, and you will eventually become like me, but before that you have to empower millions and millions of people out there. उसी टाइम में मैं देखा ओ इन्होंने बड़ा बड़ा झटका मुझे दिया, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी छोड़ के जा रहा है. I think I live in that responsibility. I take that responsibility as my purpose to leave my legacy in this world as my guru. Whatever Abdul Kalam ji has said, I truly follow his teachings, his values, and I would continue to leave the same legacy in my own younger generation. To dream big, work hard, and let the whole universe help them succeed.
क्या बात है श्रीकांत भाई, बहुत बढ़िया. And you know, we'd love to see you as the president of India one day.
नहीं वो तुम्हें स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी शो आपको दे दूंगा परफॉर्म करने. But you know one thing I'll tell you, having a low aim is a big crime. Therefore there are no taxes for dreaming big. Therefore dream big so that you can reach skies. There won't be any limitations. You believe in your own spark, because we often does not believe in ourselves, but we believe in someone else. We believe, we work for somebody's aspirations, somebody's dreams, or to fulfill someone's ego. I think if we believe in our own spark, our own power, our own fire, I think nothing can stop us, because I truly believe God gives us starting circumstances, but we make our own destiny. The future is in our hands to make it more interesting and less predictable, my dear friends. Therefore, you are the master of your own self, and you are the hero to your own self.
Wow, thank you sir, thank you. अभी थोड़ा सा back on a little bit of a lighter note, ठीक है? मैं आपको पहले prepare कर रहा हूँ. आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि every challenge is an opportunity.
Of course.
तो जो ये लोग बे एरिया के दूर दूर से आपको देखने आए हैं, once in a while
इनको क्या challenges हैं?
वही तो मैं आपको आप ही से पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. Get stuck on this freeway called 680. वहां पे कई बार सदियां निकल जाती हैं, बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं घर पहुंचते पहुंचते.
वो सबको ले जाके बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक में लगा दो, सीधा हो जाएगा.
Wow. अच्छा, then I have a serious question also. कि you were backed by the late great Ratan Tata. So here's my question. You were born in very humble family. If you were born in a family like Tata's, would you still be here doing what you do, or would you be taking it easy and then living a lavish life?
You see, if I have to do something different, I think God very well knows what surroundings and what opportunities He has to create for me. I think मैं जहाँ पैदा हूँ वहीं मेरे लिए beautiful world है, वो मेरे लिए family of Tatas है. You know, it doesn't mean Tatas may have money or Ambanis may have money, but my parents had given me billions and trillions of dollars worth of empathy and compassion. दिल में मैं उससे बड़ा हूँ. So I think I belong where I belong to do all beautiful things in this world. I value compassion more worth than the real money in this world. Believe me, even today, I don't own a house because I don't think I should own a house. But I know what I have to do in order to create a long-lasting impact. मैं झोपड़ी में रहे, महल में रहे, palace में रहे, no one bothers. What I do to make this world a beautiful place is what stands out when I go out of this world. That is what I really want to do. हम जब आते हैं कुछ नहीं लेके आते हैं, both the hands खाली. जब जाते हैं नंगा पैर, नंगा बॉडी जाना ही जरूरी है. I think why do we need to worry about physical and tangible assets when we have so much of intangible value that we can create in this world to help people in need, to create that empathy, to provide opportunities for people around us. I think that for me is the $1 billion wealth.
सो थोड़े से सीरियस सवालों में पहुंचने से पहले एक चीज़, श्रीकांत बहुत ही हाजिर जवाब इंसान है। मैं जब इनको पहली बार मिलने गया, मैं इनको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि आइए देसी कॉमेडी लाइव के शो पे। सो आई स्टार्टेड बोस्टिंग कि हमने हेमा मालिनी के साथ परफॉर्म किया हुआ है, गोविंदा के साथ परफॉर्म किया हुआ है, ये किया वो किया हुआ है, राइट। मेरे मुंह से निकल गया हमारे 6000 फॉलोअर्स हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे। भाई साहब ने फटाक से मेरे को कहते हैं मेरे 60,000 हैं, आप बोल।
नहीं, मैं तो बोला 94,000।
तो सर एक आपके साथ रैपिड फायर राउंड करते हैं, ठीक है?
अरे आप रैपिड फायर ऑलरेडी है, और क्या राउंड रैपिड करना?
चलो सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट। फेवरेट वेजिटेबल?
बैंगन तो नहीं है।
फेवरेट फ्रूट?
आई थिंक जैक फ्रूट।
फेवरेट मिठाई?
ऑल सब मिठाई मेरा फेवरेट है, क्योंकि बीबी इधर नहीं है।
फेवरेट सॉन्ग?
तू मिल गया फ्रॉम मूवी श्रीकांत।
वेरी गुड। लैला कौन है?
हाँ?
लैला कौन है?
समझ में नहीं आया।
अरे आप वो गाना गा रहे थे उस दिन, अपन बोला तू मेरी लैला, तो बोला तो आप है, लैला कौन है?
नहीं, मुझे पकड़ने में प्लानिंग कर रहे हो। मैं कभी गाया ही नहीं है, क्योंकि गाना मुझे आता ही नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ बात करना आता है।
फेवरेट बुक?
I think I read about real stories, and I have read this book called Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish, Connecting the Dots by one of the IIM authors. I think it talks about a lot of achievers who are from the humble backgrounds, and I like to read real stories, and I like to do a lot of research, because I read piles and piles of pages of data. I lead my research team. We develop a lot of products which are to replace all harmful materials with eco-friendly alternatives. So I think I read quite a bit.
Very good. Favorite movie?
Movie Shrikant.
And last question. Favorite comedians?
Desi Comedy Live.
That's it. Show यही खत्म किया जाए. All right, Shrikant, we are past time, but we'll want to get to a few important questions for you. So you have started this initiative, Earth Cleanse. Can you tell us a little bit more about what it is?
You know, when I was studying at MIT, people used to ask me what do I want to do. So मैं वही सबको बोलता था, मैं जाके इंडिया में कचरा साफ करूँगा। क्या भाई आप पागल है क्या? कचरा MIT से जाके कचरा साफ करोगे? तो मैं बोला यार यहाँ सब कचरा फेंक रहा है, तो कोई तो साफ करना कचरा जरूरी है। एंड वो बोला आप अभी तक हम लोग सोचा तू अंधा ही है, अभी तो कचरा बनने जा रहे हो। मैं बोला मैं अंधा तो जरूर हूँ, बट कचरा कभी नहीं बन सकता। बट आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोसेस millions and millions of tons of waste out there into valuable products. I think that mission is what gave me an opportunity to embark into my business venture. You know, our vision was very simple back then, and even now, and even for the future. We want to make world-class products that people should be proud of using from natural and waste materials, and by using people who are at the margins of the society. That is very simple, right? You not only empower your own consumers for using good products, but you will create human impact by empowering every individual out there who needs that empowerment, who needs that empathy. So we at Bolent, over the last 12 years, had started recycling everything and anything that you can think of. Whatever you throw in your trash cans will end up into our factories in India through WM or other companies. And we recycle all your Amazon shipper cartons into fresh paper again for packaging applications, which will come back to US in the form of boxes. We had recycled millions of tons of palm leaf into tableware and food disposable products, which are being currently now sold in the United States under the brand Earth Cleanse. Because as I told you, we have been doing a lot of stuff in India. It was, मैंने सोचा last 6 months ago, I have to now start giving compostable choices and alternative lifestyle choices to the US consumers. That's how we ended up setting our distribution system here in the US. And when you use our product, you not only empower the people, but you contribute for the greener planet. And we recycle sugarcane bagasse waste into usable products, into your own takeout containers, your own products. We make your own plastic trash bags, not from petroleum plastics, but from corn cobs that you throw. We make any product, we make all the products ranging from your food packaging to takeout to dining to party hosting to anything from completely from natural materials, and that's our specialty. And we want to create that greener future for all of us, and we want to see you as our proud partners. Thank you.
Wow. Achha, a lot of people are here from all over the Bay. If you live in the Bay or outside of the Bay, anywhere around, around.
We are also based out of Hayward, right in your corner.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है?
मैं यही advertise कर रहा हूँ कि we can do same day delivery and we have multiple options. Our team is available around the clock to give you that compostable choice to make your festivities greener and brighter and happier.
So I have two questions, sir. एक तो, how can the people in the Bay Area help spread the word about your company?
I think whoever loves the environment will definitely love our products. And whenever you talk about sustainable products, आप लोग सोचते होंगे यार ये तो Apple phone की तरह महंगा होता है. नहीं. We are very much competitive, or if not cheaper than the Apple to Apple comparative products in the market. Better than some of the products in Costco. We are better in quality, cheaper in price, and we can give you delivery on the same day, and we are situated back in your neighborhood. All our products are, you can just use them and then toss them in your backyard. They will serve as a manure for you, and that's a bonus advantage.
Wow. And now we're going to end on a little bit of a lighter note. आपने एक बार बोला था कि one of your dreams is that everyone becomes rich and you cure people of loneliness. तो यहाँ पे बेचारे जितने भी married लोग हैं, what is your idea of curing their loneliness?
I think वो लोग lonely नहीं है. आप सोच रहे हो lonely है यार. अगर pretty wife है तो कहाँ lonely होता है? You always, I mean, एक तो lonely. I think he wants me to say, go and eye on the ladies out there on the road to remove your loneliness. No, don't do that. I think बीबी को भगवान की जगह रखना चाहिए. I think that's what I do, because my wife stays in my heart, because I think she is the world to me and my daughter. I think when you actually when you really want to love someone, I think they will definitely love you more than that. And वैसे तो मेरा बीबी खाना बहुत बढ़िया बनाता है, and she bakes really well, and मेरा शू भी पॉलिश कर देता, तो मेरा कोई चिंता नहीं है घर में.
और before you got on stage, sir, आपका नाम अनिल. हाँ जी, अनिल जी ने, अनिल and his wife have been married for 50 years. और पहली बार इन्होंने अपनी बीवी को शाहरुख खान के अंदाज में ये बोला कि बेबी मेरी तो लॉटरी लग गई है. So give it up for Anil ji and his wife, and thank you for all of your wonderful ideas. We want to spread across the country, and we'll do everything that we can to support your cause.
Thank you so much for the honor, and on a Sunday evening, I think you all came here to share the joy, and I think it's a true honor meeting all of you, and we are right here. I think we all have to work together to create a bigger impact, empower people in millions, and see the beautiful world that we really want to create. And I always want to be the change that I want to see. And I hope all of you will share my mission. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Give it up for Srikanth Bola.
Can we have the Desi Light comedians on the stage, please, real quick, for one quick photo, and then we are done. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. Desi Comedy Live comedians, whoever is here. All right. Okay. Raja, एक picture audience के लिए देना. Thank you so much, Srikanth.